if you don't have money, just manage. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen this series before, I am Chidera Haka. Do not forget to subscribe. In today's video, I'm just going to be listing out 7 things you should never ever put on your face. So keep watching. Everybody wants a smooth skin. Nobody wants pimples or zits or acne. And so because of that, a lot of people are desperate. A lot of people are always willing to put anything on their face to prevent any form of irregularity on their skin. People put things on their faces because someone told them to do so. They follow recommendations of people based on what has worked for them. Some people just put things on their faces casually. They don't know the effects. I mean, they're indifferent about it. Other people put things on their faces because they feel, oh wow, it should work. None of these reasons are tangible reasons. Who has actually bothered to check the long-term effects of these products, these things? The number 1 on my list, lemons. Lemons are perfect for lemonade, lemon tea. They are good to serve with fish or fish. I like food. But lemons are terrible for your face. First of all, lemons are highly acidic. They contain citric acid. They have a pH of about 2. Meanwhile, the pH of your skin is within the range of 4.7 and 5.75. So there is definitely an imbalance. Lemons make you hypersensitive to the sun. So if you go out in the sun and you have lemon juice on your face, you can actually have burns and blisters. Lemons can only be used if buffered in a solution, cream, or serum. The second thing you should never use on your face, toothpaste. I have not only heard this, I have seen this one. I have seen someone use toothpaste on their pimple and magically the next morning it disappeared. I didn't know how then. Toothpaste actually works, but at what cost? You're exposing your face to the risk of irritations, over drying, and something called contact dermatitis. Toothpaste also has things like peppermint, spearmint, menthol, and these are generally not face friendly in any way. Toothpaste is for your teeth. Please leave it that way. Don't be tempted to use it on any pimple. The third thing you should not put on your face, petroleum jelly, Vaseline. People can use Vaseline, especially during Harmattan. You want your face to shine, you want it to look, you don't want it to be dry. Vaseline is no, Vaseline is not sorry, I'm Igbo. Vaseline is not good for your face at all. First of all, Vaseline clogs your pores. If you are someone that gets acne frequently, like you get pimples, you are going to have breakouts from Vaseline. Vaseline serves as a covering agent. If you have bacteria on your skin and you apply Vaseline on that skin, it will just cover the bacteria. The bacteria will stay there and be multiplying, giving birth to kids, children, grandkids. Boom! Breakouts. So please avoid using Vaseline on your face. The fourth thing you should absolutely not use on your face, body lotion. Body lotion. Good for the body, not necessarily good for your face. Don't be like me in high school. I used to use body lotion everywhere. As far as I see that it's cream, I rub it on my face, I rub it on my body, on my leg. I rub my cream well. Don't do that. Cream is not cream. A lot of body lotions are thicker and would clog the pores on your face because the skin on your body is generally thicker than the skin on your face. If you want to use any body lotion, you should check that it is face friendly and is fragrance free and generally will not predispose you to having blackheads, black spots, and like. The fifth thing you shouldn't use on your face, very hot water. It is not unusual for someone to think that the hotter the water is, the more it is killing all those bacteria that are causing you pimples. You want to show them pepper. I understand, I get, but it's not like that. Very hot water strips your skin of moisture, and when your skin is dry, it tends to produce more natural oils, and that just leads to breakout of acne. The sixth thing you shouldn't use on your face, hairspray. Like, why would you use hairspray deliberately on your face? I get that people accidentally use hairsprays on their face, maybe while spraying their hair and all of that, but I also heard that some people use hairspray as setting spray. Hairspray as setting spray. Like, I get that things are not easy. But this one does not count. If you don't have money to buy setting spray, go and make setting spray. There's where they make setting sprays. I heard, me, I don't know. Even if you don't have money, just manage. But don't use hairspray. That is no. Don't just think of the now. Don't just think of, oh, I want this makeup to be set. Think of tomorrow. How is your skin going to turn out in the long run? Why would you use hairspray? Has so many alcohols and unwanted chemicals that are just not face friendly, so just stop using it. The 7th thing you shouldn't use on your face: glue. People use glue when they are trying to make a face mask. Maybe some of all these DIY charcoal face mask, charcoal plus glue and all of that. But medically, glue is not good for your skin in any way. Like, it can cause irritations, hypersensitivity. It can cause you to have damaged blood vessels. Glue is no. While peeling off the glue, you can actually peel off the outer layer of your skin. The fact that it works doesn't mean it's healthy for your face. Come to the end of the video. If you liked it or enjoyed it or found it helpful in any way, then press the thumbs up button. If you still haven't subscribed, please subscribe now. Till next time, bye.